Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to talk about the following topics: SSH key generation in Windows 10 with GitBash, public key, private key. Note: install the GitBash before starting these sections or follow that in previous lecture. So let's go and do what we need. Just we need this command SSH keygen space -t space rsa space -b space 4096 space -c capital C, and then space in double inverted comma name of that in a key you are going to generate, or you can put that in your email address or name, or like in PC name, and again close the double inverted comma. For more details you can refer that in this link. Let me go and do it. So in previous lectures we have installed the GitBash. So type the Windows button and then just type that in Git. So you'll be see that something GitBash, just double click on that. You'll be see that in a skin like that. Just try to do that in change the directory, home directory of this user, and you know and see something is there or not. cd.ssh. If that .ssh folder is not there, so create the ssh folder and just you have to perform that in this command ssh-keygen space minus -t space rsa space -b and space 4096 space hyphen capital C and training, and just click on the enter. It's asking like location, so let it be locations as default, and if you want you can change it. I want like in as it is default and click on the enter. It's asking that in enter passphrase. I'm just want to like in blank and click on the enter same passphrase. Not I'll let it be as it is, like in blank, and that's all. So our key generated, if I'll see that in ls space -ltr, which is like in list the directory, and now we can see that in idrsa and idrsa pub. So idrsa is a public key, id underscore rsa is a private key, id underscore rsa dot pub is a public key. We'll go in Windows and also we'll see that in c colon / backward slash and then enter, uh, and go to the users and training users. I use that and .ssh under ssh id underscore rsa, which is private one, id underscore rsa, which is public one. Click on the id RSA, the public one, and you can see that in the contents of this public key. And at the end, if you'll go through that, then you'll see that in our name whatever we have provided, like in training. So this key we'll use that in a public and private key in our like in upcoming lectures, and make sure you are going understanding this. And let me know if you have any questions on that. I'll be more than happy to answer within 24 hours. And that's all about, and thanks for watching.